In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow invitees to add guests in Calendly. If you host meetings where multiple people need to attend, enabling guests in Calendly makes booking smoother for everyone. I'll walk you through the exact settings to turn on so invitees can add up to 10 guest emails right at the time of booking. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're in, head to your scheduling tab. This is where you manage the different event types you offer, like 15-minute calls, demos, or consultations. Find the specific event type you want to update. Remember, settings are applied per event type, so choose the one that needs guest access. On that event type, click the three dots, sometimes shown as a More Actions menu, and select Edit. This opens the configuration area for that event type. If you see a More Options link or section, click it to expand all available settings. The goal is to get to the area where you control the form that invitees fill out when scheduling with you. Now navigate to the invitee questions or invitee form section. This is where Calendly collects details from the person booking, such as name and email. Within this section, look for the option labeled Allow Invitees to add additional guests. In most accounts, this is turned on by default, but it's always good to confirm. If it's off, switch it on. If it's already on, you're set. With that enabled, scroll down if needed and choose Save and Close. Saving here updates just this event type, keeping your other events unchanged. You can always return and adjust this setting later if you want to restrict or expand guest additions for different meeting types. From the booking side, here's what your invitees will see. When they open your scheduling link and select a time, they'll be presented with the invitee form. Along with their own details, there will be a field to add guest emails. They can include up to 10 guest email addresses. This is helpful for team calls, client handoffs, interviews, or any meeting where multiple people need to be looped in from the start. A couple of quick tips for clarity. Make sure your event description clearly states whether guests are welcome and if they're expected to join. If your invitee list tends to be large, remind organizers to add all necessary guests during booking so everyone receives the information they need. That's it. You've enabled guests for your Calendly event type, saved the settings, and ensured invitees can add up to 10 guests when scheduling.